Hey there, artists! Let's chat today about how we can create our own origami paper. We know that most origami structures use square paper. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own square origami paper from anything you might be able to find around your house. So I just walked around the classroom and I found an old piece of computer paper with a star printed on it. I found some of our paper that goes in our sketchbook. And I also found some notebook paper. So if you have any paper like this at your house, you will be able to create origami paper. Let me show you how. It's really easy. If I have a piece of rectangle-ish size paper, right? This is a rectangle, and we know we need a piece of square paper to be origami paper. This is all that I have to do. I take this corner, and I'm gonna fold it until this corner reaches the edge of the paper. See how I have this nice straight line that's lining up here? I want to make sure that this is all the way over. So it makes a nice point. I want a nice point on this end. I'm going to line up this edge, not like this and not over too much, just right in line. Crease it and cut it. Now I have a piece of square paper that I can use for origami. Obviously this one has the lines and the holes on it, but it still definitely will work for origami. Okay, same thing if I have a piece of maybe scrap paper, maybe it's a, let's see, I can turn it this way and fold the corner down. Maybe my mom has an old, I don't know, piece of paper from her job, or like an old grocery list, or maybe an old water bill that I can fold. You can use anything, any kind of paper to make your origami paper. Fold it, cut it, and there's my paper. So some of you might be wondering, what if I want a smaller piece of origami paper, right? So this is the normal size that we've been using in class, and this is a little bit bigger. To make a smaller piece of paper, I do the same thing. I take the corner, I fold it over. Now, obviously this time I don't go all the way to the edge. If I go all the way to the edge, it's gonna be the same size. But I'm just gonna fold it to however big I want it. So here's what I like to think about. This rectangle, excuse me, this triangle that's happening right here is half of my square, right? So if I fold it here and I cut it here, then that's going to be the size of my square. And that's how I make a piece of smaller origami paper. I'm so excited to see what you can create this week with your homemade origami paper. Happy art making!